Hello, Gene and Norman here. This is June 4th, the first day of our adventure, our 2025 adventure.
It's going to get crazy.
All right.
Okay, all of you see the Clown Hotel in the background?
Where are we, Gene?
Where are we? You think we Googled Crazy Clown Hotel, didn't you? We did not. We looked at a paper map and said, you know, the town of Tonopah is 500 miles away. Let's see what they have. So we Googled the town of Tonopah, and they said world famous clown hotel, which, by the way, is haunted. And we're like, that sounds fun.
No, yeah, we haven't seen anything.
Well, we haven't seen anything. I don't plan on seeing anything. But yeah, it's an older motel, but it's really nice. And behind us back there is a museum with over, I think he said 10,000 little clowns. We walked in, he said, and I said, come on, other people have dressed like this. And what did he say?
Checked in like this, and he said, no, you're the first ones.
He said we were the first ones. I don't understand that at all. That's insane.
I know.
Okay, we got to go. Keeping this short. Bye, love you.
Bye.
Click it off, Norman. You can reach it. I can't.